Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTaker. In this video I'm going to do the GeekBench Mark 5 test on the iQOO 9 SE device for the first time on the day 1 of usage. Yes friends, just a couple of hours back I did do the unboxing of this iQOO's 9 SE device, and few of the users they want to know how is the GeekBench Mark test scores in the iQOO 9 SE device. So this exact variant which I'm trying to use in this video for the demonstration. iQOO 9 SE with the Snapdragon 888 processor and 8GB RAM variant and 128GB model. Let's see how much high scores we can actually get in the GeekBench Mark test results. And here's the GeekBench Mark 5. Let's open the application. And right now I'm not using any kind of monster mode, nothing at all. There's no monster mode enabled. As you can clearly see friends, it's not enabled. Now let's see without using any kind of monster mode, what will be the GeekBench Mark 5 test results in the iQOO 9 SE device. So let's start the test at this moment. So in case if you want to know more details about this device, so make sure to follow the playlist. So the playlist will give a clear idea about the iQOO 9 SE, what's going on as well. And that might help a lot of other users as well to solve all the doubts what you're having on this device. And I'm going to be back after some time. So final friends, we got the benchmark scores about single core 1094 and the multi-core 3424, as you can clearly see friends. And this for the first time without installing any kind of applications at this moment. As you can see, there's nothing much major applications installed. So this is the first time score which I got in the iQOO 9 SE device with the Snapdragon 888 processor in this device. So that's it friends, thank you for watching, and meanwhile stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other questions, let me know in the comments below. Until then, stay tuned, signing off and bye.